Hey guys, this is Jamie Lola Tallulah Poet Spice, and I am here with a combo haul. I got in a couple orders from the Not Too Shabby Shop. I got in a Diamond Press, Crafter's Companion, actually from HSN, and yeah, so I wanted to show that. So I don't know if you have seen it. Jamie, this is for the Not Too Shabby Shop, and she has 30.
And so I just used one.
So she has free shipping on orders of $35 or more. There's also a code for 10% off down in the description box below. Okay, so always check that out. And then, you know, she has fast shipping even in this pandemic thing going on. So, you know, I love it. I love fast shipping. I can't stand waiting. I'm so impatient. And speaking of which, Crafter's Companion Warehouse is getting on my dag-nab nerves. I made an order with them in May 13th, and it still has not arrived, and their customer service has been horrendous. So yeah, there's that. Anyway, now to Jamie's shop, whose customer service is awesome and fast shipping. I don't know if you saw the Greeting Farm mermaid kit. Now, I like the Greeting Farm, and I'm not overly like, yay, mermaid, everything. But these were so cute that I was like, I want it. And I love narwhals. So it has this cute little narwhal. And it's a big set, so you can hardly even get it all the way in here. I gotta turn it. So look at the little narwhal and the seal. The only thing I do wish, you guys know what I'm going to say, is I wish Greeting Farm made dies for all of their items, particularly their kits. Even if they didn't make any other dies, I wish they did make dies for their kits. So anyway, I'll just have to get out my scan and cut. But isn't that cute? I love her. I don't know, she's just so cute. I love it. And then you've got this one down here. Ugh, just adorable. Oh, freaking adorable. Oh, love it. So then I got the Lawn Fawn before, and then they came out with another release, and I'm so mad at myself because I was trying to be good, which always comes around to bite me in the butt. So I don't even know why I bothered. I was trying to be good and not buy everything in the collection again, and I didn't buy the Magic Iris. I didn't buy the Magic Iris camera or the pull tab one, and I'm like, oh, I had it in my bag or my basket, and then I was like, no, Jamie, be good. And now I'm so mad because she sold out when I was gonna go back and get it. I'm like, Jamie, stop trying to be good. It never works when I try to be good, so I don't even know why I try. So stupid me. Trying to be good gets you in trouble. I don't know, at least it does me. So just be bad. I'm just gonna be bad forever. That's what it is. So I guess this was the free with so much Lawn Fawn or something. I don't know, because I had this in my basket to buy, and then when I went back to check out, I'm like, oh, it's already there. I don't need two of them. But he's so freaking cute. And then I had to get the die because it is me. And they showed, the Lawn Fawn site showed where they had put this with the castle die that comes with this, but this would be so cute with the Anna Griffin die. And then they had the little teeny tiny ones. And I don't know, I have a problem with miniatures. I just absolutely love teeny tiny things. So those, and then of course the dies, because I'm not cutting that out. And I find that the scan and cut it's not good for really intricate stuff, and to me it doesn't work very well for small items either. So then the other one I had to get were these freaking cute mice. So the other one that came out with the mice with the dandelions, and then the mice that were skating, it was a winter one. So I'm gonna have like all these little mice running around, well, oh gosh, not in my house, but in my craft stash, because they're so cute and they're so tiny. Oh my gosh. So, and then they had these little ants, and I was like, this is ridiculously cute. So yeah, look at the little sandwich. That, how funny is that? That is just so funny. So yeah, And then the little three. I love you, crazy. I love your crazy antics. With the die. So yeah, I have to go back and find somewhere where I can get that magic thing. Maybe she'll watch this video and reorder. I don't know. Jamie, are you going to reorder? Because I need that camera and stuff. So then I didn't even see this when they did their little preview or whatever you call it before they launched it. But I thought this was cute because they have all the little summer things. I don't ever use these little faces really, but and then happy summer, the little flip-flops, and I love the little succulents. Those are the only kind of plants I can keep alive because they don't need much care. I always tell my mom, she likes all the flower stuff, and I like the way it looks, but I'm not a gardener. I have allergies to the sun, literally, and being outside and grass and trees and blah, blah. So needless to say, I'm not going to be outside in the yard. And then number two, I have like a black thumb because I can keep a plant that's supposed to be, okay, say it comes in a 3-inch pot, right? And you're supposed to transplant that mug. I can grow that plant, if it's a green plant, to where it should actually be in like a 12-inch size pot and keep it alive. But as soon as I try to take it and transplant it, that mug is dead. So I always tell my mom, I have a black thumb, and plants come to me to die. That's what plants do. If they want to die, they come to my house. So anyway, then what got me started on this one is I don't know, I'm having a moment today. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm trying to think of what it was. Angela sent me an ocean scene to go with the, what do they call it, the shadow box for Lawn Fawn. But I didn't have the shadow box die. Not that you really need it. You could do it if you know what you're doing. You can do it without it. And so then that sent me to go buy that. And then I bought another thing and another thing. So I finally broke down and bought this like cabin in the woods piece that goes with that box. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy it. And so then I chose, because I've been wanting this one for a while. So I chose between this and getting the magic iris thing. And I'm just like, okay, whatever. And I should have just left it in my cart. So Jamie, please reorder if you see my video. All right, so let's go with the other stuff. I'm having a moment, guys. I'm sorry. Okay, so then this also came from the Not Too Shabby shop, which I love. And I bought this for my mom to make something to give to her Mr. Peanut. All right, so then let's do diamond press. So these are all, yeah, let's do this. So this is the auto ship for the window die set from Diamond Press, and I got it on HSN. So it gives you this little thing here, which I might have shown you, I'm not sure. And a little that. So you get the dies and you get these stamps. So there's a scene here. Let's see if I show you. So you got a lighthouse and then these other little poo flickies and a little swing with a tree and then this. So I thought that was really cute and I wanted to play with it. So I made a card. And then I pulled out papers from Crafter's Companion, their tropical line. So there's the picture of the palm tree on the beach. I used the paper from Crafter's Companion, and I actually used my Spectrum Noirs instead of my Ohuhus because I was sitting at my desk. And then the inside says just because. I love that font that they put in there. So that's an example of this, and so I'll be sending that out to someone once I get my act together. I got things to mail out. So then my Griffin auto ship came. This was with the mini Empress. So you have this. So you get this die, this inside piece, this inside. This kind of looks like flowers and as well as a snowflake. And then you have the hello with a little swoosh. You also get, I'll show you here, an embossing folder. You can see that design. And of course, you know, they send you their little project ideas, which are interesting. And then they have the stuff on the back. And so I just cut out the big piece because I wanted to see what it looked like. And so I love that. Now I have to put that back where in my pile of cut because that goes out to somebody too. Okay, then let's go with the last thing I have, which is this was from the craft day, and it took forever to get here too, which is ridiculous because, oh my gosh, it sat like in one area, post office, for 3 or 4 days, and then another one for another 3 or 4 days. So I was like, really? But this is a double-sided die, and Crafter's Companion, like I said, was that. So even though I do like a bunch of their products, I'm like really pissed off about not being able to get my stuff for over 2 months. So I wanted to show you this die and show you how the double-sided dies, what they look like. So I did a video on how to do some of the double-sided die flowers, and I'm just going to show you this one. So what happened was you basically get 2 dies. So here's one layer and here's the other layer on the back. So you sandwich it between 2 pieces of paper, right? Pretend this is a piece of paper. You sandwich it between 2 pieces of paper and run it through your die cutting machine. Now, if you just run this through like this with your regular plates through your Gemini, you're going to jack up your plates. So they have these extra plates to use. I don't use that. I use these plates. So this is one of those thick plates, and this cranberry plate from the Grand Caliber, and I use them in my Anna Griffin Empress. So I don't know when the last time I used my Gemini is. By the way, I am going to be destashing my Gemini Go, and I have a Gemini Junior to destash. So if you are interested in that, you can let me know. So anyway, when you get done, you get 2 pieces of paper. So let me show y'all. You get one which has your background layer, and then the other is a top layer, so that you can see that, right? So then when you put them together, you get something that looks like this. And then whatever your background is going to be basically forms that 3rd layer. So, for example, if I put it on a white card but wanted a cream background, then that's what it would look like, and so forth. So that's how you do that. So that is my haul and all my yammering. My yammering. And I have a ton of other stuff coming. It's just stuck sitting places or not shipped yet. It's so frustrating. But anyway, I hope everybody's doing okay, that you are safe and all that and so forth. All right, so don't forget that I have my challenge going on, and if you didn't look at the challenge video, you might want to, because this challenge video you can participate virtually, which means you don't have to send anything in, just an email, or you can do both, send in an item. So go check out that video. I'll try to leave the description, leave it in the description box below, as well as check out the discount code for Jamie Shop in the description box below. All right, thanks for watching. I'm going to stop yammering and blah, 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 blah.